Do you know with Panasonic Comfort Cloud, you can actually save money while enjoying your cool, comfortable room? Let me show you how to enjoy the best of both worlds. Just go to Monitor at the bottom of the screen. Here, you will see an overview of the energy consumption for all my air conditioners. Let's check out the bedroom. Select Energy Consumption. Here, I can view my daily, monthly, and yearly energy usage by kilowatts per hour, where I can view by day or by month. And it lets me compare, and I can even compare with last year's usage. So you'll have a better view on your usage patterns and plan how you want to reduce it. If you are like me, I won't know how to measure kilowatts per hour, so I find it helpful to have the rates included. I just tap on electric bill, enter my base rate in unit, and then tap Done. For me, this makes it much easier to monitor my energy spending. I can even set up to 4 additional rates for both weekdays and weekends. Just tap the plus icon to add them. After everything's been set, just tap Save and I'm done. To add an additional rate, just tap on plus and set the additional rate. Choose the time range, I can also tap Add Time to apply the same rate to another time period. Then I just save it. And that is how I enjoy cooling, comfort, whilst monitoring and saving energy. Truly the best of both worlds. You should try it too. It's smart, simple, and puts perfect comfort right at my fingertips.